Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you, well, we're going to talk about the program features, install or change a program versus install apps, okay? So right now, as of, what is it, April 25th, 2026, we are done. We are absolutely done using install or change the programs and features. We're done. So what I normally did was I went here and I used to search up program. Wait, was it add? It was add or remove programs. We're done that. That was the Windows 10 version, Windows 8, and etc. of uninstalling applications. So we're done. Add or remove. Okay. So now we're going to go to install apps. Okay. So now you're going to search up installed apps, and it's going to take you here. This has 231 apps found. My original has what is it? What did it say? It said that it was only 131, like 131 items found here. Okay, but yeah, we're not doing this anymore. We're not going on here. This is the more native Windows 11 uninstall program. So it shows more apps on here, and it shows all drives, by the way. So I think that's what it is too. Yeah, it shows all drives. So you can see multiple drives. So that's really good. It's not just showing your C drive, which it's more than beyond now. We're getting 6, 8 external drives. So we definitely need to use install apps. Moving forward, this is the way now, and we are done. So we are now using install apps. This is the way to go. I think also if you go to the settings, you can also go to apps here. So like if you went to the settings and you type in settings here and you go back to settings, you should be able to just go to apps here on the left side. And then once you hit apps, you can go to install apps, and then there's going to be all your apps. There's also system component apps too, which is pretty dope. So if you want to uninstall things that are on your actual system, like any system file drivers or anything, yeah, you can uninstall these as well. But just make sure it's the one that you want to actually install, because if not, you may have to reinstall this whole thing. But yes, so that's how you get into the apps page. That is the apps page we're going to use now to uninstall everything. Techies, you are no longer using the add and remove, because unless you can't find the program, sometimes they hide things. Sometimes people hide things if you have a virus or anything. That it's there. So yeah. So yep. So anyway, that is my video today. Definitely use install applications and install from here. Let's get it. Let's go. If you have any other recommendations, let me know. All right. Peace.